Hey, Chad here with Speed Addict's fast growing gear site on the web, and today we're going to uncrate the HJC CS-2N. Before we jump in and tell you a little bit about this HJC CS-2N half shell, go ahead and subscribe for me. That helps us keep bringing you the best gear reviews in the universe. And if at any point you decide you'd like to purchase one of these helmets from speedaddicts.com, we would appreciate that. There's a link in the description below to get over to this helmet and shop for any other parts or gear you might need for your next two-wheel adventure. So HJC, the #1 helmet manufacturer by volume in the world. They make more helmets than anyone else. Stands to reason they know what they're doing. So this is nothing fancy. The CS-2N is your classic half shell. It comes with the ear warmers here that zip off. It's lightweight, it's affordable, and like I said, polycarbonate shell. It runs between 69 and 74. This is the wine color. Yes, it will match your gold wing. It's good looking. It's about 2.5 pounds. It's an intermediate oval head shape, which just means it's gonna fit most of the heads in the United States. And size range, you're gonna get extra small through 2 extra large. So no 3 or 4Xs, unfortunately. If you got a larger head, you're out of the equation here. Now, go buy that HJC sizing chart at speedaddicts.com. And remember, if you buy your next helmet from Speed Addicts, we offer no cost return. So a couple clicks, you get a free return label if the helmet doesn't fit or you just decide it's not for you. Just make sure you're in the lower 48 states and the helmet's brand new in their original packaging. Okay, let's take a little closer look at this helmet. This will be a very quick review because this is a classic helmet. There's no ventilation here. This is a classic half shell helmet. They assume you're gonna get plenty of ventilation as it is that format there. You do get a little visor that comes separately. You have to install that with a couple of screws on each side. You're also gonna get the ear warmer system here that comes pre-installed, and you'll notice this zips right off. You can pull that off in the summertime if you don't wanna run it. The closure, traditional double D-ring closure. And like I said before, this is a D.O.T helmet, so it does have an EPS crush liner. It's gonna sit up a little bit on your head. We'll show it on me here. We'll go ahead and clip that in so you can see what the profile is like. They try to make the profiles as low as possible, but this is not a novelty helmet, so it's not gonna sit right against your head. That said, we've sold thousands of these over the years. This is one of their most popular half shells, and it is affordable, D.O.T, streetable, ready to go. And like all HJC helmets, it's coming with a 3-year warranty. If there's something I didn't answer here, you still got questions, don't worry. Rider support standing by through email, live chat, and phone support. If you've already got a CS-2N, tell us how you like it in the comment section below. Appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.